Okay, it's a little weird recording on my phone, and also I am on the train. There's lots of noise because it's the air. I can't exactly stop it. I mean, I could, but then it would get really hot in here because the AC would be off. So, anyways, I am going to use this Dido Venus palette, and this is apparently limited edition. Got this in my August Boxycharm 2021 Base Box. Again, better than my premium. I will link both up there and in the description box below if you should like to see what I got. So I think what I'm going to do is just try and do a simple look. I'm going to use Mercury first to be like a transition. We'll see what... Ooh, wow. That is a lot. I barely dipped it in there. And that really kicked up in the pan. The lighting is also quite poor in here, so I don't know what's going to happen. But this will just be kind of like a transition color. And hey, maybe I might even just skip on through this. I don't know. Not skip on through. Speed it up. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Phobos. Oh, so that first color was Mercury. I don't know if I said that. Next color is Phobos. Wow, okay, that is definitely a, kick-uppy color. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just blending. Trying to do something work appropriate. I mean, honestly, I don't think anyone cares what I do for makeup as long as it's not like full crazy goth or actual clown looking makeup. You know what I mean? Even though it's supposed to be natural looking. But yeah, I didn't do any makeup yesterday. I didn't do any makeup this morning. Instead, I showered this morning. I fell asleep way too early. Not too early, but you know what I mean. I fell asleep before I could shower. Okay, lots of kick up, lots of powder in that pan. I know some people don't really like when that happens, but nothing I could do about that. And see, I meant to do the thing where I pat down the makeup instead of blending it out right away, and I didn't do that, so that's okay. I'm just doing my own thing here. Whatevs. Whatever I do, it'll look cute. Okay, hi, hello, Kristen here. So I'm going to try this one more time. I have been trying to use this Venus palette from Dido Cosmetics. I tried two different looks, and man, I don't like the formula. There's only two mattes, Mercury and Phobos. Ooh, where are they? Yeah, there they are. And then everything else is a satin, but like, I thought this was a black. This is not a black. This is like a bruise, maroon, plummy type color, but it's also like a cream. You can see the indentations where I've tried putting my brush in, and like I could barely get any product on my brush. So this is clearly out of my realm of what I've been used to using. Some of the satins seem like they're this formula, or what look like satins, I don't know. But they're not like creamy in a good way. I don't know, it's like they're hard panned already, and I don't like the colors. Yeah, this is a first impression, obviously. I might, try to use it again. Now, this Venus color is very pretty. It'll work great, I think, for an inner corner, probably highlight on the cheeks, once, if you can do your full thing of makeup. But I should have gone with the Aether Beauty palette. I'm going to try to do this, though, and just make it work. Do a simple look, at least but yeah, these, I don't know. I was trying to do some, but also that black, that's not a black, so I was hoping to use a black color in what I was trying to do as well. So I'm going to try and just, I'm going to use the Phobos color again. I completely deleted the other videos I was working with too. I probably should have not done that. I should have probably kept them. Oh well, I got so frustrated, and I don't have much time left before the conductors get on. got a little time before they let the passengers on, but of course if I want to do a video, obviously. I can't really have people in here talking, so yeah, I'm just gonna really quickly do super easy look. I'm just gonna try and use the mattes, I guess, and maybe that Venus color, because this other stuff, I'm gonna have to see what other people did with it, because of course, I'm no expert. This is not a tutorial. This is me just fucking around with makeup, but oh my god. I thought I was gonna have a cute little video for tomorrow. I mean, I'll still have a video, but I thought I was gonna be like doing really nice makeup for work, or at least, you know, experimenting with something very different, even though it's, you know, neutral. This is definitely neutral colors throughout the whole palette. That nice purple color that I thought I was really gonna like, wow, that one was not good either. See, I thought I was gonna do this with this color, then have the black, you know, blend into the sides, but like, that color is not good. Is not good. So anyways, I ate a little bit before I started trying to do this. I had my tacos. I found this nice taco platter thing. It's like at Costco. It's like deconstructed tacos. Sounds like a TikTok thing. Taco platter, and you know, you just make your own tacos. They had chicken taco meat, and then it also had like greens to put on it, cheese, the corn tortillas, of course, and then it also came with the lime creme sauce and salsa, which was actually very good. It was tasty, but it also had a bit of a kick to it, which I appreciate, and not a bad kick, a good kick. Okay, so this is probably as good as it's gonna get. I don't know if there's a black in this ether palette. Whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna look right now. If there's a black, that'd be great, but I doubt it. Yeah, I think this is more like a blue. Actually, maybe not. No, I don't want to try it though. I'll leave that for tomorrow, definitely. I thought about trying to get this black, this weird Europa color on here to try and blend it out, just to see again, but a little upset at that. I was actually hoping to be able to like edit the video a little bit too. I thought I was going to be done much time ago. I can't even speak. A long time ago. That looks approximate. Just to get something on my fucking eyes. Because I already did my brows. If I hadn't have done my brows, I would have said, fuck it, I'm not doing my makeup. But I got my brows done, so I may as well try. Yeah, the only other darker color is this Ganymede, which is the purple in this palette, and then the Europa, which is the black. And like, I guess I got a little bit on brush there, but yeah, that's definitely like a cream-based color, and I'm just meh. At least now I know kind of how it works. It's definitely like, I don't even know how to explain it. You know, whatever you can actually get on your brush, then you gotta really blend it in there. So it did darken up, you know, a little bit, but it definitely does not behave like a powder. I was trying to do like a whole line and stuff on the side, but alright. Why did I do that? It's not gonna fucking come off. I'm stupid. Yeah, I'll have to look this up and see what other people did with this palette. I've already touched it, so like I don't want to just give it away to anyone, obviously. Unless like my mom or my sister wanted it, but I don't think my mom does a whole lot in the way of makeup anymore. And I don't think my sister watches my videos. So, I don't know. I've given her tons of makeup anyways, so yeah, anyway, so I have one more day of work, and then I will be home tomorrow. No, I have one more day of work, and then I'll be home the next day. So not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Okay, that did. Okay, yeah, that did its thing. Whatever. Now I'm just discombobulated, upset. I don't even know if this will do anything. Will this look good? Probably not. Probably look like shit. Actually, it doesn't look like much. Yeah, first impressions are not that great, guys and gals. And those of you whose rules do not apply to. Not a fan, not a fan. Not a fan. Now I'm just trying to... This at least looks halfway decent compared to what I had going on before. That's about all I can say at this point. I put a little black eyeliner on already. Underneath my eyes, and then also tried to push it up in between my eyelashes on my upper eyelashes. Well, it's something, and it's neutral, so I guess it'll work. Let's see if I can get a little more black in here just to kind of smudge along the lashes. It's such a funky color. But it's like truly not a cream either, because like you can't pick hardly any of it up. I even tried it on my fingers and it didn't pick a lot up. So what else? Ooh, okay. So I just tried to pick up some of the Demos color, which is the Saturn looking motherfucker in this palette, and so much of it came up. Gonna wipe that off and try again. Okay. Not nearly as terrible as before. So it's more like a glitter. I got it. Okay. Oh well, I could have used glitter primer, but I didn't. Wow, that's a lot. Didn't expect that either. Okay. I was not expecting a chunky glitter. Alright. Well, this is just full of fucking surprises. And wherever you set it, that's pretty much where it's going to stay. Got it. Alright, well, hopefully I don't look too ridiculous for work. Good thing I have hooded eyes. Kinda hides this shit. Alrighty, I'm fine. Oh man, this is a trip. Okay. I'm gonna take this little tiny ass brush that I got and try and use Venus in my inner corner. Good enough. Like I said, I know the people are coming soon. Conductors are coming soon. So I want to get this done. I think we're good. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get my shit together, get my mascara on, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the completed eye look. It's not as terrible as I thought it would be. I'm only doing my eyes, of course, because I'm going to be at work and I have to wear a mask. So yeah, it looks a lot better with mascara on, at least. Not doing lashes again. I'm at work. I'm on a train, so no thank you. I don't want to deal with that. Yeah, so this is a stupid little get ready with me. G-R-M-E. No, G-R-M. G-R-W-M. I'm a whatever. I get in trouble with some what I'm gonna do. So Thanks so much for watching this little video. I keep looking at me instead of looking at you. Sorry about that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm a daily uploader. I'm a crazy ass. I upload every single day until February 5th next year, because that is when I turn 40 years old. So this is just kind of documenting my life in the world of makeup and wrestling and the Rocky Horror Picture Show. I'm so excited, guys. We're gonna have like 2 or 3 Halloween shows, and we're gonna be performing at Notre Dame. Yeah, exciting. Anyways, thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye. There we go. Get a video.